Hi everyone, in this video let's take a quick overview of TaskBot. So TaskBot is an all-in-one workspace designed to help you manage your task, team and workflows with complete clarity and control. Now instead of juggling between chat, spreadsheet and multiple tools, TaskBot brings everything in one centralized system so you always know what's happening in your business at any moment. So to sign in, you can sign in through password or OTP based WhatsApp, or else you can create your free account if you do not have one. Once you sign in, you will be landed on the dashboard. So this gives you a complete overview of a workspace. At the top, you can see a quick summary of your day along with task status and important updates. This helps you to instantly understand whether everything is on track or if something needs attention. Then you can find high level insights such as total workspace, department, member, and manager. Then you can see task related metrics such as total task pending, completed, in progress, and overdue. So you can see everything in real time. You also get performance indicator like velocity, average completion time, on time rate, and overdue trends. These insights help you not just to manage tasks but improve efficiency over time. Then we have ideas section. So this is where you can capture thoughts, plans, or potential work before turning them into task. It acts like a staging area so nothing important gets lost before execution. Then we have tasks. This is the core of TaskBot. Here you can create, assign, manage tasks. Each task can have details like description, assignee, due date, priority, and status. You can track progress, update tasks, and ensure accountability across your team. Then we have templates. Templates help you to save by standardizing repetitive workflows instead of creating the same task again and again. You create a template once and reuse it whenever needed. Then we have departments. They allow you to organize your business structure. You can divide your team into different functional groups like sale, operation, marketing, support, making task allocation more structured and scalable. In members, you can manage all users inside your workspace. You can add new members, assign roles, and control access so everyone has clarity on their responsibility. Then we have notification section. This ensures you never miss important updates, whether it is task assignment, status change, or deadlines. Everything is tracked and visible here. Now, in reports, this gives you a deeper insight into your team performance. You can analyze productivity, delays, and completion patterns to make better business decisions. Next is workload. This helps you to understand how tasks are distributed across your team. This prevents overloading certain members and ensures balanced productivity. In activity, this section shows a complete timeline of actions happening inside your workspace from task updates to changes made by the team members. Everything is recorded here for full transparency. In approvals, this is where you can manage tasks that require confirmation or validation before completion. This is useful for maintaining quality control and structured workflow. Now in automation, this is one of the most powerful features of TaskBot. You can automate repetitive tasks so they are created automatically, daily, weekly or monthly. This removes dependency on memory and ensures consistency in operations. In integrations, you can connect TaskBot with other tools such as Google Calendar, WhatsApp Business, Email, SMTP. This allows smoother workflows and better communication across platforms. In Workspace, this allows you to manage multiple teams or business units separately within the same platform. Each workspace can have its own structure, member, and task. In setting, this is where you configure your entire system. You can manage workspace detail, user role, permissions, custom fields, workload, approval, alerts, time tracking, all from one place. So overall, TaskBot is just not for task management tool. It is a system that gives you real-time visibility, structured workflow and automation so your business runs smoothly without constant follow-ups. Thank you so much for watching.